In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your resume options on Indeed. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to Indeed.com and wait for the homepage to fully load. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log into your Indeed account before continuing, since the resume settings and profile tools are only available from inside your account. After you're on Indeed and signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the profile icon there. This is where you can access your personal account information, job activity, and resume details. Click the profile icon, and from the menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to the main profile page connected to your Indeed account. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down slowly until you find the resume section. Depending on the layout of the page and how much information is listed in your profile, this section may be a little further down, so take your time and make sure you don't scroll past it. The resume section is where Indeed stores the resume you've uploaded or created, and it also gives you access to the available actions for managing that resume. When you locate your existing resume, look next to it for the three dots, which is the options icon. This icon usually opens a small menu with additional actions related to that specific resume. Go ahead and click the three dots next to your existing resume to open those options. If you don't see the icon right away, try moving your cursor near the resume entry, since some page elements can be easier to notice once you're focused on that area. Also, make sure you are looking at the correct resume if you have more than one version saved. That's all you need to do to reach the resume options menu on Indeed. From here, you'll be in the right place to manage your existing resume as needed. Just move carefully through each screen so you don't accidentally select the wrong option. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.